Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Professor Keolebogile Motaung. I am the founder of Global Health Biotech. This company was established in 2016 to promote scientific research concept to final product for commercialization. Our service provides short learning program for tissue engineering and regenerative medicine, products development, prototype, testing safety and efficacy of other products for other entrepreneurs if they don't have access to test their safety and efficacy of their products. We also assist in terms of grant writing and proposal writing. We also assist with commercialization of products, especially from the university where they have already done the R&D and then they need to take the commercialization to the market. And this is where Global Health can assist in terms of that. My idea was based on my scientific research exploration into the use of medicinal plants in tissue engineering of bone and cartilage. What I did, I developed a natural anti-inflammatory ointment, and the name of that ointment is called La-Africa Soother. The reason for this is because a lot of the ointment that we've got in the market, you either apply it after you have hurt yourself. So I wanted to have the first product, first of its kind, where you apply it before and after physical activity. What it does, it helps relieve muscles, joint aches, muscle spasm, targeted pain relief, and offers athletes, sportsmen, women, an alternative natural anti-inflammatory ointment. This has opened doors for me. For my groundbreaking innovation, I have received a lot of recognition, which I can just mention few, but you can also visit the website www.globalhealthbiotech.co.za. I've received the Shining Light Award from the Motsepe Foundation, the 2019 Institutional Award of the Inventor, winner of the Institute People Management, winner of the Top Women in Science, winner of the Black Management Forum in partnership with Standard Bank, winner of the Distinguished Women Scientists under the research category, just to mention few. As a professor, as a researcher, as a scientist, I train my postgraduate student not just how to become research or to do research or to become a scientist, but also to become an entrepreneur. By becoming an entrepreneur, they can create jobs for themselves after completing their studies at a time when jobs are scarce and unemployment is high. But to do that is not easy if you want to be an entrepreneur. For me, you had to have a dream. And I always said it was my dream, not anybody else's dream. And I will always give an example of Dr. Martin Luther King when he used to say, I've got a dream that one day America will have a black president. And it did happen. Same applies to me. I had a dream that one day, as a professor, I'll have a company, Global Health Biotech. It did happen here. You also have to have a passion. You can see, I'm very passionate when I talk about La-Africa Soother. I can even say, after lockdown, unlock your muscles with La-Africa Soother because it's going to assist with muscles and joint ache. That's why passion is all about. You have to have a passion. If you don't have it, I always say fake it at least so that people can see. Because if you don't, people are not going to believe with what you try to sell. So hence, it was my passion to talk about, I'm very passionate to talk about my product, La-Africa Soother. You have to persevere. It's not easy. I have to persevere. Remember, coming from a scientific background and entering a business background is not always easy. Have to persevere. You are now, as a small fish, entering the big fish market. That's where perseverance has to come in. So you have to bulldoze yourself, but in a very professional way, not in an arrogant way, because it was not easy for me, especially being a black female coming into a field, pharmaceutical field, where we don't have a lot of black females in there. So one has to understand that it was not easy for me to be able to be where I am. But through perseverance, I'm telling you, I managed to succeed on what I wanted to. I am still pushing. It's not like I'm relaxed. I'm still pushing and taking the product further and further. Hence, I'm saying perseverance. When I'm talking about perseverance, you have to pitch. You need money. They're always invited to pitch for your products. You're constantly pitching because you also want money. You cannot run your company if you don't have money. So you have to keep on pitching, and then one day the door will open. My inspiration moving my company to Innovation Hub premises, I can easily say, actually, I'm so excited. How I managed to get into Innovation Hub, it was through the GAP competition that I applied for. I submitted my application and I won. And that was my aha moment because it opens door for me. Then I was able to be incubated at the Innovation Hub or at the biopark. But one of the things that I can tell you, the support from the management is out of nowhere. We've got such a huge support from the management. The support in terms of if you need somebody to come and help you with finances, they will give you that. Boot camp, they will give you all those. If you want somebody to assist you with the website, they will give you that. If you want any kind or ISO accreditation, they will give you that. Any kind of that you want. But one of the things that you need to understand is not their company, it's your company. Hence, you must also make sure that you bring their part. But I must tell you, the support that I have received from the Innovation Hub and management and biopark, or I'm still receiving, I cannot stop talking about how they are very supportive in terms of you as an entrepreneur. So if you don't push yourself, they won't push you, but they will give you all the support that you need. So make use of those support, make use of all those resources. I mean, you are incubated here, you come here every day, you use the internet that you don't have to pay. I mean, the support is just there. I cannot. And in closing, I really want to, from the bottom of my heart, to take this opportunity to thank the management of the TIH and Biopark. I wouldn't be where I am without them. They are very, very supportive. Even in terms of marketing, they are there supporting us. I want to thank them again and again. And I always said I wouldn't have achieved, especially global health, wouldn't be where it is if it was not the support from the Innovation Hub management and from the TIH management. I feel home is like the support that you are getting, I don't even know how I can express it. So I just want to say they must keep on doing the good job. They must keep on supporting the entrepreneur. We can grow Gauteng together.